So this is Wednesday, September the 16th, dictation. Have a look at the picture again. Maybe you're starting to know where these pictures are from. All right, let's go. Number 1, 6 words. Do you know how to skip? So remember, I'm asking a question. Do you know how to skip? First 2 words. Do you? No. Do you know how to skip, sorry. Do you know how to skip? And it's a question. Number 2, I sleep in a bed at night. I sleep in a bed at night. So there's actually 7 words in this one. Let's take the first 2 words. I sleep. And the next 3 words are in a bed, at night. So let's go over it. The first sentence was, do you know how to skip? Second sentence, I sleep in a bed at night. Look for finger spaces between each word. Check out capital letters and full stops. And look, use your eyes. If something doesn't look right, cross it off in pencil and write it above the word.